Hey folks, here we are on Icon of the Seas. We're going to do a room tour of deck 14, room 700. This is a balcony room. As we go inside, on the back of the door, very important safety information there, just in case you need it. And over here on the right, you have your thermostat. It's a digital thermostat. And you've got the lights here for your bathroom. Go. Got a little storage here along the back wall. I think Icon of the Seas have done a really good job on these balcony rooms of really utilizing the space in the bathrooms. The shower, if you notice, is much larger than the tube showers that you would get in a normal balcony room on a smaller ship. Got a nice little seating area there in the shower as well. Got a little storage here, a couple of US outlets, very important. Got your sink, a little bit of storage here along the bottom. Got a good sized hook there to hang up your wet towels or wet swimsuits. A couple more hooks here along the wall. You have your master switch here, which shuts off all the lights. Full-length mirror. And here along the left side, got an area to hang up clothing. A couple of robes. Something different here with Icon of the Seas, you actually have some baskets here for additional storage. Little nightstand here, another US outlet, which are very nice to have. Light switch, which turns on the lights, on and off the lights to the main part of the room. I'll show you here. What that does not shut off are these little lamps. So we'll hit that again. If you want to shut off the lamp, light switch is right there. Standard Royal King bed. Telephone on this side. Got your television. Little storage area here. And as we go into the living area, you got your mirror. Nice little table. And this book is actually a book of various artwork on the ship. Got more storage here. Very important, the breakfast menu. So if you want to order a room service, here's your breakfast menu. Simply fill out the stateroom number, the number of guests, and the desired delivery time. Now on the inside, you have the continental breakfast, which is free of charge. And the American breakfast is an additional charge. So if you're wanting a complimentary breakfast, select from the continental breakfast section here on the left. Got more storage, your hair dryer, refrigerator, more outlets here. Got the European and some USB outlets, which brings us to the balcony. Oh, before I forget, you do have a couch here that does pull out if you have additional guests. Let's go ahead and check out the balcony. Pretty standard Royal Caribbean balcony. We're here at Port of Miami today. We're going to be going on a 7-day Eastern Caribbean cruise. Got a nice little bistro table, a couple of chairs. See if you want to escape the hustle and bustle of the ship. Want some nice quiet time to come out and stare at the ocean once we set sail. No better place to do it. You've got a light here that goes across the top. The light switch is just inside the door. Folks, that is room 14700, balcony Oceanview on Icon of the Seas. If you like what you saw, smash that thumbs up button. Be sure to subscribe. Be also on the lookout for a comparison video. I'm going to be doing a comparison between a standard Oceanview balcony, a junior suite, and a grand suite, all here on Icon of the Seas. You can see the differences and the similarities between the three. Thanks for watching, and happy sailing.